Hi, we will learn how to cancel or undo sent message on Gmail easily. First, we need to enable it for a longer time. When on Gmail, go to gear icon and click See All Settings. Now increase the timer to the maximum, 30 seconds. Scroll down and save changes. And it's important. And now I will try to use it and will show you too. Writing a mail to a person. Now just click on undo within 30 seconds. And as you can see, the sending is undone. Now it means the mail has been taken back from the recipient. Okay, and again doing this. And yes, this works smoothly. And I hope this could help you, and please subscribe to Joseph IT. Share our videos and inspire us. Goodbye.